Looky, looky. Tracker Packers arrived early. The new Tracker Packer for Spot Gen 3. Tracker Packer for Garmin inReach Mini. So you can secure these safety devices to yourself, which is the best safety practice, as recommended by our friends at the KC Foundation. We support their efforts with these products. Donating a portion back to support their efforts to keep riders and racers safer. So there's the new Spot version with the extension armband, quick adjust, a bunch of nice new features, a cool little tether for redundant connection. We've tried to create multiple ways to keep that connected to the rider. And here's the Garmin version. With the included little tether and the armband extension. New Tracker Packer available now at giantloopmoto.com. Go light, go fast, go far, stay safe.